Round the clock you have free gifts and a bunch of offers with timesprime membership, that is $11.99. You feel this $11.99 to be paid as a big amount? Okay, you need not pay because the offer is on. You'll get it for free. Okay, interested to know? Let's get started. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. Happy, smiling. Thanks for all your support. Thank you so much. Now we'll see what is this timesprime all about. This is a platform that has got tie-ups with n number of companies to give us all more benefits. Not only offers free gifts, but as you see in the picture, you have 6 OTTs, 20 plus subscriptions. That means you can watch for free Sony Live, Amazon Prime. You have many new series coming up every week, right? So you can watch them. You have Netflix and a lot more channels available in this for a subscription or an annual membership of rupees 11.99. As I said earlier, this 11.99 is on offer now with a discounted price of 0 rupees. That means 100% discount you are getting. You need not pay any single pie. Just you have to apply a coupon. I'll tell you how in the later part of the video, so do watch. Before that, these are some of the gifts I have got from timesprime. Once you log in with the referral code, you'll be given this free gifts. This is from my clan. I've got lipstick for free. These kinds of free gifts or offers you may find every day on timesprime, here and there. So in the later part of the video, I'll tell you how you can grab this or order this free gifts. As you see in the picture, my glam card is given along with the product. You see QR code on that. If you want more offers or rewards, you can scan this QR code and have offers and rewards. If you don't know how to scan QR code, I'll give a video in the I button and end screen and also in the description box. You can click on that and know. Okay, now if you turn the card, you see scratch and win. You can scratch that and see what you have won. Here I have scratched and won a discounted coupon on my next purchase. Now if you see, how is the product? As I'm opening it, you see my glam product. This was 395 rupees. Once you order on timesprime, my glam will receive that order and delivers you home. See, how is the product? Is it not pretty good? If any of you come here and watching my video for the first time, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies 1. We'll see the next gift, how it is. This is from Zoff. You will have this free starter kit given by Zoff that you have to order on timesprime. All the new users can get this kit for free from zoff on timesprime. Now here I have got a free gift after login. This is from zoff again. I've got raisins here. It's a good quality product. It's a good brand. You have a number of products on this brand. You can try out spices. I have a review video on this. You can watch it if you want. You can click on I button, end screen or description box to watch this video. Okay, now we have come to the most important part of the video. Please don't skip the video. If you want to have timesprime membership for 0 rupees, that means you need not pay a single pie. Now let's see how to proceed with that. As you see in the picture, you have to click on the link. I'll provide this link also in the description box. You can check out. Click on Chrome. After you click, this is the page that appears. You see 300 being gifted to you as shown in the picture. And now you go to click on sign in. After you sign in, you enter your mobile number. Then click on have a referral code. You have to enter the referral code as shown in the picture. Click on apply. Once you click on apply, it will ask again to sign in. Click on sign in. Enter your phone number and click on join now. Now click on continue with login. Click on claim now. You can do the same way in the app as well if you want. Now after clicking on the claim now, this is the page that appears. As I told earlier, the timesprime membership is $11.99. So with referral code, you will be getting 300 off. Okay, click on select payment mode and make payment. But please stop if you have Visa, debit or credit cards. Let me tell you, you'll be getting this Prime membership for 0 rupees. That means for free by applying a coupon. Let's see how to apply the coupon now. As shown in the picture, click on the link. I'll provide this link also in the description box. You can check out. After clicking on the link, this is the page that appears. You see here, get a complimentary annual membership. This is a complimentary membership, so it is for free. Okay, click on claim offer and enter your Visa card details. Now let me tell you, all cards are not eligible to this complimentary offer. Do check out whatever cards you have with you. Here I have entered HDFC credit card details. It accepted it and gave the complimentary offer. So got this membership for free, literally for 1 year. Now after you enter the details, you'll be given a coupon as shown in the picture. This coupon is valid for 1 year. You copy this coupon. As I told earlier, you go to the payment page of timesprime and click on have a gift or promo code. Click on that and paste it over here as you see in the picture. You see here coupon applied. Click on OK, got it. You can see here total payable is 0. It comes up to 0. Now you can click on proceed. That's it, done. Your order is successful. You can go to your profile, check out with your recent transactions. You will see this transaction as well as shown in the picture. Now after getting the membership, you have a lot more benefits, offers, free gifts. As you see in the picture, you can explore. It will not take much of your time. As you see in the picture, curated benefits for you, exclusively for you, meal ₹0, free Bitcoin, so on and so forth. You have different categories as you see in the picture. You have travel, news, entertainment, food, etc. etc. You can check out by yourself. As I told earlier, this timesprime has tie-ups with many companies. So many offers will come up on this platform. You can check out as you see in the picture. Under exclusive benefits, you have in the category offered there's different items as shown in the picture. Now you have this essentials I'm showing up. You have here Urban Company 6 months membership. You can claim it because you have got with you now timesprime membership for 1 year, right? You can claim it if you want. Have got Urban Company services review video. If you want, you can check out in my I button and screen and description box. Okay, as you scroll down, you have many offers coming up before you. You can check out, you have Lenskart here, Uber, you have, and many more. Sometimes we need a particular product, we'll go for search. Now I'll show you how you can search that product. For instance, I want Zoff brand products. So I have given the search word as Zoff, as you see in the picture. Zoff products appear. You click on the free product, add power to your meal. This is for free. You will get all these spices for free. Okay, now I'll tell you how you can get this free product. You have to just click on generate coupon. As you see in the picture, you click on view my coupon. There the coupon appears. You just have to copy the coupon. After copying the coupon, you click on take me to Zoff Foods. Once you click on that, you click on Chrome as you will be navigated to that Zoff website. Here the product appears. You click on add to cart. After you click as shown in the picture, you click on that and apply the coupon that is previously copied. You just have to add the address and place the order. Sometimes order includes delivery charges. Here for zoff, there's no delivery charges. Okay, if you want to see this, raisins how they are as a free gift, you can check out. I have shown you the unboxing clip as well. That's it all for today. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section and let me know how is the timesprime membership offer. This is an complimentary offer that you're getting for 0 rupees. It's a gift, so claim it and enjoy the benefits. You have OTTs, Amazon Prime, Netflix, and many other channels are also available. Apart from this, you have free gifts and offers coming up daily. You can check out. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do encourage me with a subscribe and a like to keep me going. Have a good day. Keep smiling.